how to solve angles with sine and cosine, and basically you have something like this here, and what you want to do first is refer to this chart right here that tells you sine, cosine, and tangent and what each integer means. So over here we have sine of theta is negative square root of 2 over 2, so we know that sine negative square root of 2 over 2 stands for 45 degrees, and since it's negative, it's going to be negative 45 degrees, and we look at the chart here, we find that sine is negative in quadrants 3 and 4 because cosine is the x, so the first one's going to be x, so that's cosine, and this one is sine, so right here we see it's negative and negative, so you want to draw out something like this and draw out 45 degrees coming outwards in right here in both quadrants 3 and 4. So after you do that, basically you write down the sine of theta is 225 because this goes all around to here, and it makes a 225 degrees, and out of all of it, it's 360. So at the end, you want to write k is the element of integers because that's what you have to put in the end. And the other one for this one, the one that comes out 45, it goes all the way around 315 degrees. So you put 315 plus k times 360, and k is the element of integers, and that's how you solve for sine. Right here we basically have the same thing again, but this time it's in cosine instead of with sine. So when we refer here, we still find out that it's 45 degrees and a negative, but this time cosine is negative in quadrants 2 and 3. So you're going to write down the arrow this way, and it's the reference angle. It's always the angle that's closest to the axis right here, so it's 45 degrees here, and you write cosine of theta is 135 plus k is the element of integers. You always want to write this down at the end. This is a common mistake that most people forget to do. And the other common mistake that most people do is that they forget which places it is negative in.